The Ocean Beach Pier Cafe, also known as the Wow Cafe in Ocean Beach, located on the Ocean Beach Pier in San Diego. The Ocean Beach Pier is the second largest pier on the West Coast and also the home of a great little cafe known as the Ocean Beach Pier Cafe. The Ocean Beach Pier Cafe is located right next to the bait and tackle shop out on the Ocean Beach Pier, and it's about a quarter-mile walk from shore to get out there. Once out on the Ocean Beach Pier, you'll enjoy a whole wide range of things to eat, including great breakfast items, lunch items, and also dinner items. The Ocean Beach Pier Cafe is known for great pancakes and also great seafood, including lobster tacos, fish tacos, and of course our favorite, the veggie tacos. If you're looking for a great place to visit or something to do in the San Diego area, check out the Ocean Beach Pier Cafe, located on the Ocean Beach Pier at the end of Newport Avenue in Ocean Beach, California.